So good morning, guys. Um, if you watch my first video, like if you know the first video, you can't really understand what I'm talking about. So go to my playlist, go to my Shiny and watch the first video before this one. Yeah, so you understand what I'm talking about. For those of you that watch the first video, so um, if you remember, I said this candle, this one right here, this one that I'm tapping right here. I was hoping it will, well, it was so snap. I was hoping it will happen, and this is exactly what happened. If you can see right here, let me just zoom in. This candle was what I was looking for. This long week, and it was kind of a risky job, but this is what I was looking for, and it's kind of happened. And as I also said that this wasn't an actual, shall I call it this thing, reversal, like a crossover. This was what happened. Yeah, if you can see this place, what happened here, this thing, I just crossed through it, and there was kind of a long candle. Yeah, that I was waiting for. If you see this place here, so that's exactly what I was looking for here again. Not to be too greedy, I'm not trying to place any trade now on this market because I don't know, because this could have been a downtrend. This one year could have been a downtrend, but it respected this support. I call it a resistance level. No, yeah, no, a support level. Yeah, sorry. I don't really see no sure support and resistance. I just see it put line and like this. I don't know exactly. Yeah. So it respect this support level. So I'm hoping if it if let me check, let me look because I haven't to go analyze this stuff. I must look at it properly. I'm not sure, but according to the moving average, the guy like the moving average, he said we should never trade anything like see this the 20 the 221 and 50 what do you call it, ME or SMMA, I don't know. I think that's MA. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. Sha. But that's not important. They said we should not trade it if it's like this. So I'm just going to leave the market like this and checking. I'm trying to look at the listing. I'm coming. The thing, this one is not really showing any listing. Um, I'm sorry. I'm just this month. I'm not really kind of buying stuff. Yeah, you guys know the meaning of, you know what RSI is used for, right? Yeah, divergence. Is it divergence? Divergence. Divergence. I don't really know, but you guys know what I'm trying to talk about. So it's not really showing it in the market here. So I'm still going to leave it alone. I'll just leave it alone for now. So this is the profit I made from the trade. If you don't understand, like if you still don't understand, it's go watch the previous video before this one. I kind of explain how I entered the trade and everything. So see you guys later and please subscribe.